How to install and update Realtek audio drivers. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, we will learn how to install and update the Realtek audio drivers. So first of all, just go ahead and then open up your browser, and then you want to go to this link, of which I'll also make sure to drop a direct link in the description box, which is the official website of Realtek audio drivers download page. And over here, you want to select your Windows operating system. In my case, it's Windows and it's my 64-bit. So if you have a 32-bit PC, you want to make sure to download 32-bit, but I'll just select the option called 64-bit. Once I download the 64-bit version, first of all, I'll accept the terms and conditions, and I'll select the option called download this file. And once I've done that, what I will do is you just need to go ahead and verify the captcha as well. So let me go ahead and do that respectively. So as you can see, the downloading has been begun. At the bottom, you can just choose the option called keep. And once I choose the option called keep, I'll simply wait until this download process has actually been complete. And once the download process of this audio driver has been completed, you can simply go ahead and double click on it, follow the on-screen instructions, and then install the drivers to the latest version in order to update the audio drivers on Windows 11. That's all it takes to update your Realtek audio drivers on Windows. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.